Hi, Carl Henrik here, and welcome back to Okta's Release Overview, where we showcase our latest innovations. Let's kick things off by taking a look at everything new for the Okta platform, starting with Okta Workforce Identity Suites. We know how complex it can be to piece together different identity capabilities as you build the best solution for your organization. With Okta Workforce Identity Suites, you now have an easier, solution-oriented way to purchase a workforce identity security solution. You can gradually implement capabilities in phases without the complexity of selecting individual tools. Additionally, we're pleased to showcase our ongoing commitment to the U.S. public sector with Okta's FedRAMP and DoD-authorized customer identity solution. With just the right level of protection, agencies can comply with stringent security and consumer pressures. Okta's flexibility also accelerates the adoption of shared digital identity infrastructure, offering choice and convenience for interactions between the public and government services. Enable public-facing applications, mitigate fraud, and reduce the time tax in public benefits delivery with Okta's customer identity for U.S. public sector. We're also excited to unveil Okta Learning, designed to help your team confidently stay ahead of evolving security threats, boost productivity, and deliver more business value. Okta Learning offers actionable insights, including a public catalog with over 200 courses to help teams confidently deploy, manage, and get more from Okta and Auth0. We're also introducing the Expert Learning Pass to help empower your team with exclusive content, including live, expert-led sessions and industry-recognized certifications to elevate and validate critical security knowledge. Perfect for those teams looking to get the most out of the Okta platform and the Auth0 platform. Next, we're excited to share the latest innovations on the Auth0 platform. Best-in-class businesses adopt modern, developer-first customer identity to better secure every step of the customer journey without sacrificing experience. With the Auth0 platform, you can automate and orchestrate identity flows to get to market faster and empower devs to integrate identity across a stack, built their way so it is extensible and future-proof. See how innovations like attack protection, universal login, and no-code and pro-code actions and forms enable these outcomes. And last but not least, I want to share an update on Auth for GenAI. Since Octane, we've been developing Auth for GenAI so you can ensure that you're building AI into your apps securely. With Auth for GenAI, agents have the right access to sensitive information, call APIs on behalf of users securely, and implement robust, async, human-in-the-loop processes. This makes it easy for you to secure your GenAI apps with the developer experience we are known for. Sign up for the waitlist on auth0.ai and get excited for EA in March. To learn more about these exciting new innovations, be sure to check out our release overview online. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.